guys! Hello guys! Welcome to Tita's vlog. Wave your hand. Hi! Tina, wave your hand. Hi guys! Oh, Zemira, look at Tita's phone. Hui. What's this? Hi! Hello guys, good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Look at my baby pamangkin. Feeling niya kasi malaki yung bahay ko, kaya ganyan. Oh. Ayaw niyan kapag hindi siya makakapunta dito everyday. Ito na ata bahay niya. Samantalang yung sa kabilang bahay